Why social media is so important for SEO. Today, we are exploring the dynamic connection between social media and SEO. We'll discuss how to leverage it for your digital marketing success. Let's start by understanding the relationship between the social media and SEO and why it's so important. Social media and SEO might seem like different words, but they are closely intertwined. Here's why they matter. Number 1. Social signals. Social media activity like shares, likes, and comments can indirectly influence your website search engine rankings. Number 2. Increased brand visibility. Active social media presence can boost your brand's online visibility, which can lead to more organic traffic to your website. Number 3. Quality backlinks. When you share high-quality content on social media, it can attract backlinks from other websites, which are valuable for SEO. Now, let's talk about how to leverage this connection. Tip number 1. Share your content. Regularly post your blog articles, videos, and infographics on social media to drive traffic to your website. Tip number 2. Engage your audience. Respond to comments, engage with your followers, and create a sense of community around your brand. Tip number 3. Optimize your profiles. Ensure your social media profiles are complete and consistent with your brand, including keywords in your bio. Tip number 4. Use hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to expand your content's reach and discoverability. Social media and SEO are more connected than you think. By actively participating on social media platforms and sharing quality content, you can improve your SEO.